Today, I'll show you how to convert Microsoft Word files to PDFs. This is a straightforward process that can save you a lot of time and hassle, especially if you often need to share documents in a universally accessible format. Whether you're sending a report to a colleague, sharing a resume with a potential employer, or simply archiving important documents, converting your Word files to PDFs ensures that your formatting remains intact and that your files can be easily opened on any device. Let's dive right in. The quickest and most efficient way to convert a Microsoft Word document to a PDF is through the Microsoft Word desktop app itself. So, to get started, first open the Microsoft Word document that you want to convert. Make sure you have everything in your document just the way you want it, because once it's converted to a PDF, editing becomes a bit more complex. If you need to make any last-minute changes, now is the time to do it. Once your document is ready, you'll want to press the F12 key on your keyboard. This is a handy shortcut that opens the Save As dialog. If you're not familiar with this shortcut, F12 is essentially a quick way to save your document with options for different formats, and it can really speed up your workflow. In the Save As dialog, you'll see a field labeled Save As Type. Click on this drop-down menu. You'll notice a list of different formats you can choose from, such as Word document, rich text format, and a few others. For our purposes, you want to select PDF from this list. This tells Microsoft Word that you want to save your document as a PDF file. Before you hit save, take a quick look at the file name and location. Ensure that the file name is exactly what you want it to be. If you're working with multiple versions of a document, you might want to add a date or version number to the file name to keep things organized. Also, double-check that you're saving it to the right folder on your computer. It's easy to accidentally save it somewhere you didn't intend, and then you'll end up searching for it later. Once you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and click Save. Microsoft Word will do the rest, converting your document into a PDF file. Depending on the size and complexity of your document, this might take a few seconds. You'll know it's done when your PDF automatically opens, or you might need to navigate to the folder where you saved it to open it manually. And there you have it. Your Microsoft Word file is now a PDF. It's ready to be shared or stored, and you can rest easy knowing that the recipient will see the document exactly as you intended. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't have access to the Microsoft Word desktop app, there are online converters available that can achieve the same result. However, using the desktop app is generally the most reliable method to ensure that formatting and styles are perfectly preserved in the conversion process. So, that's it for this tutorial. You've learned how to convert Microsoft Word files to PDFs quickly and efficiently. This simple skill can make your document management much easier and more professional. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. Have a great day and happy converting.